compost bin right here. My husband likes to set their feed up on top, and they know it's there for sure. And Miss Cinnamon, I don't know what you're doing. You're not even supposed to be in there. All of our goats are Nubians, miniature Nubians. We did buy a couple of new ones. They are called Pygerian, which is pygmy and Nigerian mix. It's a new breed. And sometimes it can be pretty rotten getting all the animals where they're supposed to go. That's Miss Fix. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Oh, giving out sugars? You're begging for some food, huh? Mr. Pygerian, that's Josie. She's like salt and pepper looking with black spots on her. She's a sweetheart. She looks like she's going to be a really good little milk goat. They all usually pretty much go where they're supposed to go, but sometimes they want to be stubborn. And then they all get sorted out. I'll walk out here once you see the boys. This fella here is Tex. He is our registered miniature Nubian. And this is the little Pygerian buck. He is just like a little squeak toy. You can't really tell how small he is, but he's extremely small. And we're running out of daylight, but that's okay. Back here is where we have the steer. I have another pasture back here. This is raised for beef. We bottle fed him and got him when he was just a couple of days old. He has a little cattle panel shelter that we made him. Works really well. Really inexpensive until we were able to get him another, like a stall or something built. Mostly it's just a pasture for them to graze in. And the sun is going down, down, down. He's about to get his turn to get his food brought to him.